How to fix Shadowban in Twitter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Twitter application on your device and make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, firstly, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the profile option you see here. Further, go ahead and look for any content that might be sensitive or against Twitter guidelines. And just in case if you find anything, go ahead and remove the suspicious post and delete those posts immediately to help restore your account's visibility. Next, go back to your homepage and then tap on your profile icon on the top left again. Further, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Here you will see the option for privacy and safety. Tap on it and then tap on the content you see option. Further, go ahead and tap on the explore settings option you see there and make sure your filtering options are turned off. After that, click the search bar again and then settings, and also ensure that you are not restricting your content visibility. And once you have adjusted these settings, go ahead and restart the application in order to refresh everything properly. And after restarting, go ahead and open X again and continue using your X normally. And in most cases, these fixes might help you in fixing your problem of Shadowban. So this was about how you can fix Twitter Shadowban. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.